before we go into more detail on how you became a real estate agent as well, I just want to touch on one specific thing. As you met that profound business owner in that moment, you mentioned you had to be bold. So I think a lot of, especially younger people, they are already the perception of a person tells them this person won't be able to engage with me or they won't want to engage with me. So maybe just quickly touch on what went through your mind at that specific time and how did the conversation go? Because maybe for our listeners and especially for the younger people, it can just show them that not all people are alike. Maybe there's going to be a businessman that's sitting there that wants you to engage with them, that for a moment actually wants to invest into your life in that moment. So what was your thought process at that point of time and how was the conversation started and how was it received from that businessman?
Yeah. So that's such an important thing you mentioned. I mean, to sum it up, I would like to say do it scared. Because I think so many times in life, we've got a great opportunity in front of us, but to act on it is usually where most people fall short. I had to learn the hard way. I got to a point where it was, I always say you either got to do it out of inspiration or desperation. And in my case, it was both.